Right, well, we're off to a spot we scouted out earlier, and there's a load of rubbish there, so we thought we'd come back, clear the shit up, make it nice again, and then we can camp there. We gotta get told off.
Seems like Leave No Trace has been lost on some people.
Yep. Says no fires, but yeah, there's a fire. Otherwise you gotta do fuckloads of editing. Spin around what you want to look at. It's what?
It's only 1 mile to here. I'm in K's. 1.6 K's a mile.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm in Kane walking. 1.58 I think now.
Yeah, you're in K's too.
I think I just set it throughout the board.
Yeah?
I think I just set it through the board.
Yeah, mine's K's on the watch, but mail out 3 miles.
I still don't know what
Okay, the
laps.
look like they're gone.
the laps are.
The midget's gone?
Yeah. I don't know what the laps is though. It's just the lap one. Right there. 17:51.
Yeah,
One lap.
Mile.
Ah,
First mile.
makes sense.
Right on. Pretty good.
Oh, I have used mine all the time.
Oh, right, okay.
I used to bring it. Always prepare for the worst and not for the best.
That's what I did
But my philosophy has gone out the window,
lately.
and I'm the one who invented it.
Well, I thought, where's my midget? Go get that. Last week, borrow. Just in case. I don't want any earlier, but it's only that big, I'll take it.
Most of my camping's been in winter.
Yeah.
There's a lot of summer camps, apart from that one in Ben Neverton.
At least we can tell them the hike is less than 2 miles.
Yeah. That's a nice little bridge over there.
Oh, mate. Should be on video.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah. So elegant, aren't they? It's dead silent.
Yeah, I could just stare at them. I was driving through Mooks Road one day and one was flying alongside my car. Because apparently, well, this is what my dad said, the vibrations of cars make the mice run out, so they always fly next to like cars and vehicles.
Yeah.
And then they're swooping. I nearly binned it. So I was like, look at that barn owl.
I get that, because
Chevrons. Shit.
their eyesight is phenomenal.
I didn't think it was very good.
Their eyesight?
Have I got that wrong?
No, it's phenomenal. You can see fucking miles.
On camera? I thought it was this way around. Didn't think we could see shite. It was all in vibrations.
And they can hear.
Yeah, I knew the hearing was good.
I think it is now.
I'm going to have to find out now. On the sat last. Looked like a right couple of numpties that way.
Give us a sec, viewers. We'll find out.
Owls. I see.
I've only literally just been to a Birds of Prey show as well, and they did tell me, but I can't remember.
Owls have incredible eyesight.
Yeah.
Perfectly adapted for hunting in low light conditions. Hence why he's out now. Nice one, mate. Yeah, night vision. God, I couldn't have been any further wrong.
No.
Incredible eyes.
Thought it was. Look at that. How still that water is. Beautiful.
That's why people jump in it.
Beautiful.
Look at that. I didn't realise there's an undercurrent. You don't realise there's an undercurrent.
You can sort of see that one's moving quite fast.
And they have highly developed hearing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty incredible, like. Yeah, this is like
and
quite low midge.
And one of them, the one ear, apparently, is slightly different angle than the other ear. So they can
prime time David Attenborough.
so they can pinpoint exactly where the noise is coming from.
This looks like a carpet that's been laid, look. This has been laid here.
Yeah, there's like carpet underneath it. Clear up team exhibition. Exhibition?
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Making nature better one night at a time. That's a good slogan.
There's the owl again. Flying down the river.
Just trying to find some fish.
Buffish.
Buffish. That's why the Twitcher was down there earlier, because you get loads of birds around here.
Can you take the fish with you?
Nope. See midges though.
No, fucking knock off.
Right, this is the rubbish we're going to clear up. This is a beautiful spot someone's ruined.
Which means all that signage has to go up to ruin it.
I'm going to bag this up. Try and get away.
Are we recording still?
Huh?
Are we recording still?
Yeah.
I don't know what. How do you know what you can see? Ah, it's cool. It's still recording because it's going up in time. Hey Tob, there's a lot of cattle here. Seen the cattle walking past Tob. There must be loads of. They're all bulls. Well, unless normal cattle has horns as well. What are they called, horns?
A bull only has a ring, so it's not.
I think a ring's rape's needed, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought to get rid of the actual
Rubbish. Few cans under.
Well, I think we've done the best we can here.
You did the majority of it.
A lot better.
I didn't want to touch their rubbish with no gloves.
Take your shit on with you, it's not hard, is it? Pitched up. Oh, that's it, that's how it's meant to be. Beautiful. Pitched up. Ready for the chilling out.
He's quite a few pegs in.
Yeah. I ain't used half of mine, I couldn't be bothered.
To be honest, without guarding out.
Try and getting bruise on. In my cup, don't you?
And whatever you want to drink. I mean, I offered you a hot chocolate. You need to get out of the bag.
I'll
Me down,
I'll get one. Turn me down, Boris. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Oh, where's it fucking come? Got it.
Hope my igniter's not gone again.
The Nescafe.
Of course. She's there.
Mine did that before. Here you go, lift it up, I think. Can't remember what I fixed now. I think it was too low, too high.
I don't know if there's any gas getting through it.
Yeah, you can do it for now. There you go. Beautiful. Look at that water. Stunning.
I found a flat bit, but I think I'm coming.
Time and effort.
Oh, amen.
Yeah, we're not got a roll on yet though. What the fuck's that? Got a fucking slug down me now.
You brought your old cup? Yeah.
Yeah, what we all going, yeah. Thought I'd get out the old equipment for once. You know, because we ain't had the old equipment for a while. Whoa, that's a pair.
Using one of your old tents, using one of your old cups, what's wrong with you?
I don't know. Got all this gear, gotta use it. Gotta spread out share the love. Haven't we?
I'll pour yours first. Go on, don't miss, don't miss, don't miss.
Beautiful.
I've gone for hot chocolate.
I've gone cappuccino.
That's literally all you've drank today.
I think it's vanilla. Doesn't really tell you on the packet. Rank.
Oh yeah, you're waiting for a spoon, aren't you? I think I brought two, you know.
Right. Chocolate cappuccino, vanilla. You know what I got the other day from Lidl? Choc ices.
I used to hate them.
Do you not like them?
Well, every time I got a choc ice, it's because Ice Cream Man was round. And all I wanted was Ice Cream Man. I got told choc ice was in the fridge. Like every child, it's not just me.
Katie said you're such a child for getting them, you, but the taste of banging.
They're okay.
Well, I went through 8 of them in about 2 days.
That's what I was going to say 2 hours.
She went, you know, it's the last one. I was like, oh no. I have to go back and get some more fucking adult problems there. Adult money.
Cool down. Oh, you nearly lost me.
Fuck off, moth.
Moth, what?
Flew at me.
These do fall down quite quick, to be fair. Titanium, innit?
Titanium.
They don't brown you. This spits at you though. These MSR cans spit like mad. The other ones don't. These spit all the time. They'll be the same design, I don't know. Not very different. You smell that? It stinks.
Smell like gas though. It's like petrol. Sniff it on a night.
That's cooled down already. Put the plastic lid on it there. It's not cooled down that much.
Oh, this is a peaceful area. Most quietest camp spot I've been to, I think, for a while.
Oh, look at my jacket hung up there.
You can get the hair staring down at her. Well, we're going to chill out for a bit and we'll catch you later.
Enjoy our hot chocolates. You have to say hello, viewers, again. Because they don't need to know that we left.
We left and we're back.
Dad wants one of these for Father's Day. I need to tell him about.
What was he saying? He went to go outdoors.
He went and got outdoors earlier. He wants one of these. I want one of the OAX. Yeah, I was like, yeah, the same one as mine. That you always pinch. Yeah, I want one of the OAX ones. Yeah, the same one as mine.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But
That you always pinched her.
is he trying to get a little kit together for camping?
For his motorbike. Which is, yeah, for camping.
Don't need ultralight stuff, then, do they, really?
No.
Can't laugh at that.
We just need some stuff.
I can stay up all night, mate. Never really gets dark, does it?
It'll get dark in a couple of hours, won't it?
You only really get a few hours sleep, don't you? Then you back up with the light.
You don't have blackout blinds at home. Stick that in your pocket, though, don't forget.
Well, they are quite blackout, but they're not black. They're pink. Pink
Pink
blackout.
out blind.
Pink not black.
The thing I've noticed about these new cups is they're very thin. Good job it's got that hard lid.
That's what. The only thing I like falls flatter than them ones.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit. A little makes a lot of difference.
Bang in them hot chocolates.
There we go. See you later, don't you? He is funny. Should we go for a swim?
It's cold in there now.
Oh. I don't like it anyway. Muddy bottoms.
You don't like cold water.
I don't. You know what the thing is? I don't like not being able to see.
Yeah, I suppose there is that. But then again, Scotland's loch was absolutely crystal.
Oh yeah, I don't like cold water.
I was swimming with my eyes open in that. At St Mary's Loch, because it was fresh water.
Yeah.
It wasn't like the salt water at Ben Nevis.
But I don't. If I went to the sea and it wasn't clear, like it wasn't Greece, I wouldn't have gone in.
Wouldn't you? Fair enough.
It just freaks me out not being able to know what's below my feet.
Mm.
I loved it when I was in Greece. Fucking put my head under seeing all the fish.
I
was waiting for like a shark to come and drop my toes.
When we was under the boat and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was expecting. You just think what you're going to see, don't you?
Yeah.
Because it's the Mediterranean.
But you can see. But you can't, mate, fuck that.
Oh, use your water in morning, yeah? I need a swig. I thought that'll be enough just for a brewing. I just want to neck it all.
We've done a lot today, though, to be fair. Sweated a lot. Don't take that out of context.
Well, we've been here twice today because we came out on our bikes to find this spot, and then we've been home and walked back. Stealth mode. Although he's got orange trousers on.
It's in case we have an accident. Helicopter can see me. RSPCA can see where we are.
RSPCA.
Well, it sounds like a generator, doesn't it?
No, you've got good hearing if you can hear a generator.
Oh, like that. It's the current from going underneath that bridge. That constantly.
Mm.
So it's
Give
like
me long enough to listen to it, I might be able to try. There's a road in the distance or something. I don't know.
like an owl. Fucking subsonic area. One is bigger than the other.
I love listening to all of that. Like that, then one just had that fish jump out.
Was it a fish there?
Yeah.
Or was it a frog jumping there?
Could have been a frog, could have been a cow skimming a stone.
Yeah, I ain't got any problem.
That was good timing, wasn't it, when they all walked past? It was all having a right good check it out of us as well.
I'd sleep here, don't I?
Yeah, with a tarp.
Tarp over.
I'm feeling that right now, and I've never felt a tarp before. I've always felt too open.
Oh, it's nice. You feel one with nature.
Yeah, well, you are usually bollock.
That's how you stay warm. According to Basil.
Mm.
Naked camping.
I don't believe him.
No.
I told him that as well. I just said it because he's not here.
You know what I'm going to do, Basil? I'm going to sneak into your tent one night and see if you're actually naked.
never come camping again now. Very first time, him.
Tickle his ears.
That's first time. And we'll add Josh Green as well.
That?
Oh, it's 5 to 10. The Greens are probably in bed.
Gay.
Because we go to bed at 8:30, don't they? Okay, boys.
Probably having sex with his lass.
There's a shell there from a snail. Best them to knock that hot chocolate over. It's real weird when you ring on FaceTime because you don't get like your normal ringtone coming through.
What do you get?
It's just, I don't know, it's like a real low. No, like when you ring, have you ever been rang on Facebook Messenger?
Yeah.
Don't ring the same, does it?
I don't like it when it's on WhatsApp because it doesn't come up as like you can answer it. You put it on your phone, then it comes up at the top, then you can answer it.
Mm. Ring them too then on.
Really infuriates me.
Put your phone on you.
Yeah.
Try doing a group call without me in it. See if they answer it. Through WhatsApp. Yes.
I ain't got a signal.
Aren't you? That might have been it. I know I've got 2 bars.
I'm on E.
I'm on E.
No, I'm on E. It says E.
Mm.
I don't even know what that means.
I've got 5G.
What does E mean?
Emergency, I don't know. Got 5G 1 bar down here.
Excellently shit. Then I had a poo before I came home.
I didn't like that feeling last week.
Oh, and you need one out in the wild?
Yeah, when we just got there.
Tell you what, mate, never felt more wild than you when you poo in the woods. That fucking nettle tickles your ass.
Well. Ooh, I've got a signal.
No?
Let me and bro. Yeah, awesome.
Yeah. Love me at home cuddling in bed then.
Why?
No, I just said I love you. Complaining, I'm not there.
Why does she want to see you for an hour?
I'll be home tomorrow.
We never spend any time with each other. Ever.
I don't think you can say that on the strip for
That's why I've laughed. So what are you going to try and get for your van tomorrow from you, Pull It?
Fuck knows, see what comes out, see what jumps out at me.
Come back with a panda. Don't back it, come back with another car. Unless it's a Land Rover.
Four-wheel drive
Or a
Panda.
Land Cruiser.
Four-wheel drive Panda.
I'm all for one of them. Class. Come back with an Hilux.
Just as true.
The old put pedals in it. Easy to service then.
It's still probably fucking one.
Cool down quick.
They're doing these cups, I think.
I bought some tickets on it and I bought 500 to try and win it for Kurt.
Yeah.
I think it gets drawn tonight. It's on the giveaway, guys. I'm sure. Were you there actually at Calf when Adam said three of the four lads he rides with have won a bike off giveaway, guys?
Yeah.
I'm sure he said 3 or 4.
Because I said, I said I didn't believe it was real until I done one because it was so close to home. And he said, it's funny you say that because 3 of the people I got a bike rides with, one was one as well.
Yeah. That was it. It's crazy, that, isn't it?
Crazy, crazy.
Oh no. The bath ends this Tuesday.
See that one, just put solution in it, see that's to bring a big one. Right, well that's us going to bed now, so I'll see you in the morning. Bright and early. Oh, bright and early, old job. Well, we're finally awake. 20 to 5. Nice and early. Just before the sun popped over. Oh, there it is, just over the clouds. There's brew on the go. Ooh. What a view. What a morning view. We had some deer barking last night, both shit ourselves thinking someone was walking the dog at 1 o'clock in the morning. That was fucking weirdo. Turns out there's a deer. And then a stupid fucking cackling bear all night.
Neither of us said out to each other, though. It was purely mean men.
Yeah. We both shit ourselves in silence. What real men do.
Brew time, let's go down to the brew spot.
Brew spot.
Brew spot.
Morning brew. Watch the sun come up. That's not working. Let's put that there. Like that. Right there. Got that. You get to look at that view while we have our brews.
I'm tired. Really. I need to wake up a bit, but I won't say I'm knackered.
Yeah. What sleep I got? Like, okay.
Went to bed about 10:30, didn't we?
Yeah. I have to get waking up. Woke up at 1:30. Pillow's made a massive difference. I usually get a dead arm. I'll leave a pillow like there. see be like that, but that one I could proper wrap around myself.
Yeah, I did have to roll over a couple of times. Other than that, I was fine.
Well, for the extra bulk, for a decent pillow.
Not exactly heavy, are they?
No, it's just bulky out, they don't fall down small. Oh, you were exactly the same. What is it?
Leave no trace. Oh, in this case, make it better than me.
Make it better than you found it. Beautiful. That is us out. We shall see you on the next one. I've got a few videos coming soon. They're going to be a bit all over the place. But there you go. Going to be a bit hit and miss. Got a holiday one to upload. That's going to be a bit all over because I only videoed what I wanted to video. And we've got another camp that we did after holiday. Before this one, that was a failed camp. We got kicked off. So, you shall see them soon.